Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. As you all know, it's winter season when children and adults are prone to getting a sore throat, cold, cough and flu. So today I'm going to be sharing the herbal teas which is packed with flavors. Many of you also might be looking for healthy alternative teas. So here are some alternative teas. The herbal teas recipes that I'm sharing with you has many benefits and also helps to boost your immune system. So let's dive into herbal tea preparation process. In this drink we are using 4 ingredients which are ginger, turmeric powder, lemon and honey. So how it helps, why does it has good effects? Actually ginger is full of antioxidants. It has more than 150 antioxidants. That's why it helps our body to regenerate fast every cell unless it fights with all of the bacteria. Either it's bacteria, either it's virus. Suppose if a person gets ill or get any kind of virus, then his immunity will be good to fight with this virus of the bacteria and he will recover fast. So keep this in mind and start using of this immunity booster drink. At this point I'm gonna add honey and mix it well. At the last I will add lemon and then it's ready to serve. Here is our second drink which is for digestion and memory booster. So let's get started. In this drink we are using 4 ingredients which are zira, cumin powder, turmeric powder, a pinch of salt and lemon juice. Cumin is one of the best home remedy for weak digestive system. If you're facing any kind of digestive problem, then this is the right drink for you. It is not only what we eat but what we digest that makes us strong. Almost 80% of the human illness is related directly or indirectly to stomach, where the food is digested. This drink is not only improves your digestive system but it will also help in boosts your memory. By having this drink, keep your digestive system healthy, boosts your memory and productivity. So here comes our third and last drink which is chamomile. Chamomile is tasty herbal tea and is great to treat several health related problems such as ailments of the digestive system, insomnia and anxiety. Chamomile tea has numerous beauty benefits too. Chamomile flowers has a high-level terpenoids group of antioxidants. It helps to reduce inflammation, it improves heart diseases, it helps for better immune function, reduced pain and swelling, and healthier skin, hair, nails, teeth, and eyes. Regular intake of chamomile tea helps to increase immunity with its antibacterial effects and an enhanced immunity. One is able to prevent as well as fight ailments like common cold and cough. It also helps to protect against bacterial related illness and infections. For hundreds of centuries, people all over the world have used chamomile herbal tea to cure many physical and emotional health concerns. The dry chamomile flower is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antifungal, and anti-ulcer healing properties. So here comes the final look. Try it and let us know how does it works with you. And stay tuned viewers for the upcoming uploads. Thanks for watching.